on our way right now to Best Buy, so I can go ahead and pick up my Nintendo Switch 2 pre-order. I am super excited about it. And people are underhyping it or saying it's overhyped. Like, oh, it's just better graphics. Like, why are people waiting in line to play Mario Kart? Like, the Switch, like, I am a nostalgia gamer where I play all these old school games that are on there. And, like, being able to play, like, goats like Mario Kart, or even play, like, updated versions of, like, Fortnite on there, Harry Potter. Like, I'm excited for this. Like, I want to be able to have a console to go. And yes, I could get, like, a Steam Deck or something like that, but, like, I feel like those are more based for bigger, like, desktops and gaming laptops. Whereas with the Nintendo Switch, it's like, it's built 100% for on-the-go gaming. Okay. So apparently there's a huge ass line just for pre-orders. There's, like, at least 3 hours ago, there was a ton of people trying to purchase it. Hopefully these pre-orders go quick, considering people already bought it. But chances are, they're going to try to upsell a bunch of stuff. So we'll see. I mean, I do need a micro SD card, but we'll find out. It's not that bad. I only got like 45 minutes, 50 minutes. Plus to wait forever after that. I bet you I won't be done by like till 10. It's not bad. I could be on the East Coast. And then East Coast would be like midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. Then they get home and they can't do shit.
Oh, nice t-shirt.
So it's been like an hour since I got online. I am finally at like the door to get it. I didn't think it was a journey for a pre-order. Apparently it is. Am I close? So close.
So close.
I'm like literally right here at the door. I'm right here. Here. Can we get there? Can I get in? Can I please get in? Yes. I'm in. I'm finally in. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. And do I pick up about I need something here?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Yeah. I'm so close. I'm so close. All right, I want to turn this off now. I'm doing it now because I'm here. I can't kill them. I got it secured, and I got to get home and not get bugged. I'm kidding. I'm not going to get bugged. They can't take me down. Let's go set this up. For this one, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So I actually got the Mario Kart World Edition, so that way I can play Mario Kart, because who doesn't love Mario Kart? Had to get the branded SD card. So unfortunately, the best of the best. And definitely had to get Cyberpunk just because I want to try it out on the mobile friendly Switch and how well it plays. So we got a couple of these. And yeah. We'll make a thumbnail. Let's go ahead and open this guy. Nice. Ooh, hold up. It actually says plug it in, then set it up. Let's do the sniff test. Oh. It smells like 1998 Super Mario World or Super Mario Kart nostalgic vibes. Oh my god. This thing, like, here, check this out. From the rip. Look how big this thing is. Like, this is an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Look at the size difference. Look at the OLED switch. Oh my god. Yeah, so for the sake of comparison, I actually have my OLED right here. So we'll be able to see size-wise
how it looks next to each other. I know I need to charge before going to bed. Okay, so let's take out the Joy-Cons. These feel nice. Like, they feel really good with the weight of it. So let's take it all out first before we unwrap the plastic. And then we take out this. Oh. This feels nice. Okay. No, you don't want health and safety information? Fine, don't get health and safety information. Ooh, these are colored now. So you do get the wrist straps. That's good. And you get an ultra high speed. I wonder if this is an 8K HDMI cable. Okay. That's in the top here. Now, let's see what we got down below. So there's a whole like second deck. There's a whole like a second deck of stuff. Nice. Ooh. Doesn't look like the dog anymore. But that's cool. Then you get your USB-C cable. I wonder what speed that is. It doesn't say. Your power plug. And then you get your dock. Now, didn't they say the other OLED switch is not compatible with this dock? That's kind of a shame. Okay. Let's unbox this or unwrap it. Ooh, this is nice. This is hefty. Let me check this out. So you have two USB-C here, right? So you have two USB-C here. This can open up. How does it open up? Okay, so it just detaches. And you've got your LAN, your AC adapter, and your HDMI out. So there it is, all in the back. And this thing just latches on. Oh, there's some speaker port vents here now too. That's different. Okay. This is a big block. Like, look at this. Perfect. Get some decent length on this. Almost my arm span. So that's cool. Okay, what else we got? These Joy-Con still plastic. So these are still plastic. And they connect via magnet. That's kind of scary. Oh, interesting. They're much longer now. And it doesn't have a button to push, it just pulls up and down. I can see these getting frayed after a while. And this, do you see this? Hold on. Do you see that cable? It actually has a braid here. Let's take the Joy-Cons out. Okay. Ooh, these are definitely like bigger. They're thinner. They're definitely bigger. So here's an example of, God, this is dirty. But this is my OLED Joy-Con compared to that of the Switch 2. Like, look at the size difference. Like, comparatively, they're much different in size. Like, look. That's crazy. Thin-wise, like, this thing looks so gorgeous. Oh. my goodness, look how big. Okay, that's scary. See this? That, like, I'm just bored. I'm afraid that that's going to be a point of breakage. Oh, wow. This is definitely interesting. Okay. This is everything you got. Your Joy-Cons, your Switch, cables, and a dock. What the hell? The hell you get this out? What? How do you get this out of here without damaging it? How do I get this out? Oh, it opened. Stupid. Dumb. Stupid. All right, let's put it in. Ready? Oh, that sounded so nice. You hear that click? That. Okay. Literally gonna. Okay. Oh, scary. Okay. Okay. It's in. Oh my god, it's scary. There it is. It's in. Should take some photos, actually. Oh my god. This is nice. Oh my god. Okay, so let's talk about this. If you are going from an old Switch system and you're going into the new Nintendo Switch 2, if you decide to do data transfer, it's going to transfer all your saved data, your games, your profiles from this Switch to the new one. But the catch is it's going to initialize and reset your old Switch so you could sell it or give it to somebody else. If you, like me, I don't want to do that. I want to still play my old games here, especially if I'm not going to always be able to play this. Only like family members play to Switch to, like kids and stuff like that. So may not want a data transfer in that event. All right, perfect. Okay, so here we are. Plugged in. Now this is one of my favorite updates. It's on the top. You have a USB on the top and a USB on the bottom. So if you want to charge while it's on a table like I was, I can do it here. So this is the unboxing of Nintendo Switch. I can't give you final thoughts because I haven't even played a game on it yet. Leave the questions below of what you want to compare it to or questions you have about it. I'm going to give it at least a week or two before I get like a nice like initial review, like a quick review. Leave it up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I gotta shut up and create and play now. Actually, I gotta shut up and play, not shut up and create. See ya.